From this voucher, you will see that he spends an average of about 9,657,500 naira on dumping. Also in this voucher, you will see another $10,000 for security.
According to Chief Dan Obi, the briefing by the People's Democratic Party in Edo State became imperative following the recent happenings in the government of Edo State. Chief Obi said despite slogan of the APC to fight corruption, leaders of APC are the most corrupt in society, citing alleged example of Governor Adams Oshiomhole withdrawal of between 400 and 500 million naira as a take-home pay on monthly basis. While displaying some documents allegedly signed by the current governor for withdrawal of money, the PDP chairman said on February 14, 16, and 19 this year, Governor Adams Oshiomhole withdrew the sum of 100 million naira each day to allegedly address what the governor referred to as urgent security matters when there are no security challenges in Edo State.
The late Professor Ambrose Ali, that man was sent to prison over an allegation of money that was not up to 1 million naira. Here we are today, under the regime of Adams Oshiomhole. Every 2 days, he dips his hand into the state purse, he will take away 100 million. And he will give the excuse that he's taking this money to address urgent security matters. The official police report on security in Edo State. If you look at this report, you will agree with me that there is no justification.
Chief Dan Obi said with this example displayed by the APC government in Edo State, the party cannot fight corruption and called on the people of Edo State to vote for President Goodluck Jonathan and other candidates of PDP.
Normally, for every trip, it will take $10,000 for security. What security is he looking for in London? What security is Oshiomhole looking for in Miami? And what security will he tell people that he's taking this money for in San Francisco, as you can see in this voucher? What will be the reason for Edo people to vote for APC, the party he represents?
Chief Dan Obi also condemned the sack of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports, by Governor Adams Oshiomhole for his approval of the Samuel Ogbomudia Stadium for use by the First Lady. During the briefing, members of the Change Advocates of Nigeria formally joined the People's Democratic Party. Best Mbiere reporting.